Hi guys, welcome back to Angular 8 tutorial. In this video, I'm going to work on edit section. Alright, so just copy this section again here and simply write like this. And then here, let's create a click, and then here will be edit. Right, let's edit. Now let's create a function inside view, say edit, right? And then here, so it will void and then user. Okay, so here we do now here will be router.navigate. So we need to write this code. Okay, so for that we need to add here router. This router private router, then router. Right, and then official is not, so edit plus. So when we click on this edit, then we get this error here. Delete length segment and this. Alright, so what we need to do, let's go to here and then routers. Need to add an extra edit and then slash id. Okay, and then here edit component. Okay, automatically get added here this one. Now let's try to there's something wrong here. Sorry. Yes, now edit the ID is passing here. This one. We are now in this page. We are now in this page. Edit works. Now add. Let's go to there. Copy, Control C, copy, and then edit. Okay. Paste. And then add component. So services from group. Copy and then root component, paste here, right, and then services constructor. So service, right? And then yeah, that's it. So and one more thing, form group here, which one there, this from here to here, okay, copy it, edit, and paste it. Okay. And then inside here we will write a function. So here you can see currently what it is coming. Here we need to write a code for this one, for giving parameter. Okay? If you come from PHP background, then you might be knowing $def. So this is something like this. Okay? This is something like this. So now we need to router and then routes. So before that we need to add two another line here. Right. So here activate route. We need to write here private. So now we say respond here. Okay? Next problem. So this route is calling here. Then this activate route be all here. Right. So if you console log here, log here, then you will see params.id. So let's check here. You can see here ID is displaying here. This column ID is coming here. So if you click something else, say this one, so this is 12 here, this 12 is coming here. Now our next work will be to here we will write function for get data. And here we need to add this code, right? This code. API service, we need to change this and then data in. So for function name is PHP. So let's check here inside service. So let's go to service. Service, yeah. So we need to change this ID, right? And then inside service, you can see here that we need to create this file. Okay, this one. So let's go to our service file, and then I'm just taking from here, and then this get by ID, right? So mine is this one. Paste here, just modify it, and here in place of students, and will be register. And then here simply ID. Everything looks fine, rest of the things. And here we will just import. Now let's try PHP. There is still problem here. Yes, so now it's working perfectly. You can see. Okay, so as you can see that now the name, password, and also age and salary is displaying here, but still there is first name and last name is not displaying. So let's correct those also. So what I believe is that the data that is coming from here looks like get JSON format, right? The name of the fields are not matching, that is why. So we have to change here the name. In that case we can apply this code rather. So SQL here, and then username, first name, last name, age, salary. So in this case what will happen, the field name will be this one, but with the previous code what was happening here, the field name we couldn't change. Okay, so it was displaying like first underscore first name, first underscore name, last underscore name, like that. So that is why here we have defined our own name, and we had to do this because of mismatch of the name here, because form control name is here first name, that means the field name is different here, first name, that's why. So this form control name and the data which is coming from database should be same name. So after changing this, let's refresh it and check. This time there is something wrong. Students. So here will be no while because this is a single row, that is right. Here too, this and this. Now let's try if this works. Still there seems to be problem. So let's check in the network here. This is for it. and click here, then a response. So data is coming like this: username, first name, last name, like this. In console, so let's print here in the console and let's check. Edit, this data. So what is coming in the data? Yeah, it's coming in array format here. Username, first name, last name is missing. Object 1, 0. First name, last name. Last name, first name. Let me check there what's coming here. Not here, actually, in the network section. First name, last name, age and salary. So here also it looks like fine. Now let me check here into the edit one. Okay, so here looks like fine, so we don't need this either, and this one also. So if you check this carefully here, then in the console section, there is something wrong this time. Oh, sorry. This 0 will be there because the index is passing here, that's right. Or simply we could have done like this. Simply we don't need this because it is not multi-dimensional. Okay, it's a single dimensional. It is coming one row only. Yes, so this time it is coming perfect. Here you can see it is coming name Rajesh, and I think password I forgot to print here. So let's, if you want to show password also, so in that case here will be password. Now the password is also coming, so this time it's working perfect. So how it's working, let me explain that how it is working. Okay, so first what happened when you click here, let me explain it once again so that you have a better understanding. The first one is view, right? This is our VIW. So this is our listing page. Okay, now when we click here, then it goes to view page, where it is here. It goes to this function. Okay, and then we fetch ID, and along with this navigation, this router navigation, we send ID also. So it is redirected and reaches to here. Okay, so this is the code actually where it is redirecting, so it becomes like this. Alright, okay, so it's now the work of view.component.ts work is finished here. Alright, and then now the work of this edit component.ts file starts. So what we do, first of all, we fetch the ID from here. Which ID? This ID we fetch here, because based on that ID we will fill the data. And now after fetching, we pass that ID from here to our service function. So function name is get user by ID, which we have defined here in the service. Okay, so from here the ID is passed here, and then ultimately the ID is passed here. So based on the query, it selects all the fields and then in JSON format returns back to service again. And then data is returned, this observable returns here, and then it is sent back to here. And this patch value, we take data from here, the JSON data is taken here, and then this patch value maps with the form here. This, not this one, edit, map with the form name, and automatically the data is filled here, you can see. So this is how this edit works. Now in the next video I will show you that after clicking here, actually its name should have been here edit, not add user, copy edit user. Alright, so after clicking here this edit user, the data should be updated. So I'll show you that in the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye.